This video is a Stellar Diva ring light video, and I completely loved it, but just one thing is that they didn't send me like this little black thing. I don't know what it's called, but it connects to the camera and to the little bottom part that connects to the ring light. And yeah, I already contacted them and told them about it. I'm just waiting for them to text me back. But yeah, I'm already using the Stellar ring light. That's why I look so bright right now. But I completely love it, but I'm very upset that they didn't send me that, because then my camera is too short to overlook from the mirror. I hope y'all enjoy this video, and please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and that's it. Let's go to the video. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, it comes with its little bag. Not really little because it's huge, but it's a big carrying bag. Okay, this is a tripod. Alright, so you just twist it back. You have your little... Is it bent? Oh, never mind. There you go. The little tripod. I'm gonna put this here. Okay. The ring light. It has the little plug up thingy. They plug up to the out. Okay, here's the mirror. Let's go ahead and take this off. It has a little wipey. It has screws and a screwdriver. Whatever this is. For your phone. A little phone stand. Whatever this is. I feel like there's something missing. Like, I feel like this is too short. Where's the taller part? There's clear plastic covers, orange covers. Alright, well, I'm going to set all this up and I'll get right back with y'all. Hey everyone, I am back. Some problems because I'm missing a piece and I'm pretty upset about it, and I'm about to go text them. I bought this on Amazon. I will link it in the bottom if y'all want to buy it. It cost $150. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, that's how it looks on the high. I think I have it on the high. Let me show y'all how does it look if I dim it. Okay, that's, you'll see that. I really like it, but this is the bad part. My camera is not going to be able to see that. Like, it's just going to be right there. I don't know if you're supposed to like make this higher. I tried, but I can't get it higher. So I'm gonna text them and see, like, did they forget to send me a piece or what happened. And it's a LED ring light. But I mean, I love it, but I'm pretty upset. And this is my old tripod, and I have my little camera thing on top. Sometimes I use my phone, sometimes I use my camera. This is how it looks on high, and let me dim it down. That's in the mid. And that's in the low. Okay, I put the plastic cover over it, and I'm gonna show y'all how it looks on my face. Okay, and that's how it looks. That is all for my video, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, everyone.